Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Unnati Classes Online. I am Aprajita. Today we will discuss on world history. This will be helpful for students of CBSE, ICSE, state boards. Let's start. First I will discuss on objectives. Number 1. Identify terms decade, century, epoch, era, millennium, BC, BCE, AD, CE and designations of time periods. Next, interpret primary and secondary sources. Next, describe the methods of historical inquiry and how history relates to the other social sciences. Next point is describe the role of historians. Next point is describe how history transmits culture and heritage and provides models of human character. Designations of time periods: decade, 10 years, century, 100 years, epoch, an event or a time marked by an event that begins a new period. Era, a period of time marked by distinctive character events. Millennium, 1000 years. BC, time period before Christ. BCE, before the Common Era. AD, Anno Domini, Latin for in the year of the Lord. CE, Common Era. History is divided into eras, a long period of time marked by great event developments of people or people. We have four main eras. Number 1, prehistory, the time before writing was developed up to 3500 BC. Second, ancient history, 3500 BC to around 500 AD. Number 3, Middle Ages, 500 AD to 1400 AD. Modern history, 1400 AD to present day. More about time: the date events that took place before the birth of Jesus or BC. Historians count backward. There is no year 0 AD. After 1 BC we go to 81. AD is written before the date, BC is written after the date. Example: AD 2012 and 10 BC. Why study history? When you study history, you are studying about the past. People who study history are called historians. The main reason you want to learn about the past is to understand the present and make good choice about the future. Historians study clues and evidence left behind by past societies and civilizations. What is a source? How do people know what happened back in the day? They rely on sources to piece together events in history. There are two types of sources, primary and secondary. Types of sources: a primary source is a document or physical object which was written or created during the time under study. Example include original documents like diaries and journals. Another example include creative works like cave paintings. A secondary source interprets and analyzes primary sources. These sources are one or more steps removed from the event. Examples include textbook and magazine articles written by researchers and historians. Which is it, primary or secondary? Home learning. Imagine you have traveled back in time 35,000 years. Write a letter to a family member or friend who stayed behind in our time. Describe to him, her, what kind of experiences you are going through during the time. Be factual but also be creative and also good descriptive words including sights, sounds, smells, etc. We will be back with another video. So please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.